Hello students, myself Vinay Joshi. Now we are going to study the first chapter of class plus 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry in this video. And regarding the some basic concepts of chemistry, first have a knowledge of the word that is chemistry. So chemistry is the branch of science which deals with the study of matter and its composition and various physical and chemical properties associated with it is called as chemistry. Matter, जैसे आप जानते हैं, all the solid, liquid, gas, back and plasma all consist of the matter. And matter is one which has mass and can be felt, has volume and can be felt by any one of the five senses is called as matter. जितनी भी matter की study हो रही है, it comes under the branch that is chemistry. Now the question arises, who are the pioneers of the chemistry? So father of chemistry is scientist A.L. Lavoisier. He gave the law of conservation of matter, or we can say that law of conservation of mass. उन्होंने सबसे पहले हमें ये law of chemical combination दिया था. That's why he is the pioneer of chemistry. जिन्होंने सबसे पहले chemistry में काम करना शुरू किया था. Next, the most important one, second one, that is the scope of chemistry. Chemistry का scope क्या है? Why we study the chemistry? For example, you take medical, non-medical or science stream, biotech, microbiology, engineering, all these streams consist of the subject chemistry. So chemistry is so much important. Why so much important? It comes under the topic that is the scope of chemistry. So regarding the scope of chemistry, first the foremost scope of chemistry is the use of chemicals in the pharmaceutical world for making the medicines. The most important medicine, अगर हम बात करें, that is hydroxychloroquine, which is used for the cure of malaria, is also a chemical. उसकी tablet बनती है in the pharmaceutical industry, which is used to cure the patients of malaria. Similarly, cisplatin and taxol, the most dangerous disease that is cancer, जिसे हम बोलते हैं कि वो cure नहीं हो सकती, that can also be cured by using the medicine cisplatin and taxol. All the analgesics, जितनी भी हमें एंटी एलर्जिक जो टैबलेट्स हैं, एनाल्जेसिक्स, एंटीबायोटिक्स जो आपके अगर बुखार फीवर हो जाए, टेम्परेचर हो जाए, उसके अगेंस्ट आपको एंटीबायोटिक चाहिए, एंड ट्रैंक्विलाइजर्स जो आपकी न्यूरोलॉजी के दिमाग के रिलेटेड मेडिसिन हैं रिगार्डिंग द ब्रेन डिसऑर्डर के, all the tranquilizers come under the pharmaceutical world and consist of chemicals which are prepared in the pharmaceutical world. They come under the branch that is chemistry. So that's why it is the most important according to the pharmaceutical point of view. Second one, that is, it is used, chemistry is used in our daily lives. Daily lives कैसे? For example, we use the utensils. They are made up of elements. Stainless steel, it is iron. Brass, it consists of copper and zinc. Copper wires, जितनी भी हमारे घर में wires हैं, wiring हुई है, copper और aluminium की, all these are elements. And in fact, it is the most important part of our body also. For example, our body has sodium potassium pump. Sodium potassium pump. Sodium is a metal, potassium is a metal, so that balance is maintained. We take the NaCl daily. What is the formula of common salt? NaCl, C12H22O11. Sugar खा रहे हैं हम, and नमक खा रहे हैं. All these are the chemicals. In fact, you can say that this is the use of the chemistry in our daily life. From routine work, जब हम सो के उठते हैं, from wake up to the bed, chemistry is there. Next, we have the use in the nuclear weapons. For making the nuclear weapons, chemistry is also necessary. वहाँ पे chemicals use हो रहे हैं. Next, in the multivitamin tonics. जो आप multivitamin, say some persons have health problem, they are not taking the balanced diet, they have the deficiency of vitamins, hormones. Then we can take the multivitamin tonics, tablets, all come under chemistry. Chemistry in our daily life, say we are using the AC. AC has the freon gas. Refrigerator has freon gas, chlorofluorocarbon. All this is chemistry. So according to this, the chemistry has a very large, wide scope, and so it is taught to you in this science stream.